Oh, here's Daddy. I'm Batman. And I'm a princess. We're playing Don't Wake Daddy. We're all set up, so now it's time to play Don't Wake Daddy. I'm the youngest, so I go first. Yellow. I have it, so I'm safe. It's my turn, so now I'm gonna spin the wheel and see what color I want. I hope you got red. I got a star. I got a purple star, so that means I go in front of Roman. I have that, so I'm safe. Oh, I hope I get a good one. If we're keeping this out like green. Oh no, I don't have that one. I just got a green, so I have to press Daddy's alarm clock 6 times, because he doesn't have the card. I have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that's my turn. I hope she gets the bag. Oh, I got yellow. Oh no, I need to push the button 4 times. He has the bike. I don't. It's my turn to spin. Red. Yes, I have it. So you need to push it 3 times. Yay. 1, 2. Ah! Oh no, I woke Daddy. So since Roman woke Daddy, he needs to go all the way back to the beginning where it says start, and he gets this card. Now you have 7 and I have 9. Now it's my turn to spin the wheel. Wait. Ooh. Okay, I got yellow. Do I have it? Oh, I have this card. I'm safe. Come here. I hope I land on the star. No, you land on blue. You go right here. Do you have that card? Yes. You do. You have that card. You're safe. Oh, I got red. I need to go right here. I got it, I'm safe. Stop. Please get the star. Please get the star. I want Roman to be in front of me since I'm way ahead of him. No picture. He's safe. I got green. Do you have it? I have it. I'm safe. Yellow. Yes, I have that picture. cake, I'm safe. I hope I get the star. 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 I hope I'm gonna but no picture. I hope you'll get a red. I won the game. Yay! That was a lot of fun, and I'm sorry, Roman, but I won. I definitely recommend this game. It's been so fun. It's been so fun, and you should try it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.